You know, I know. It's a washing machine, but it was the best video quality I could think to get at the moment. Although, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, see, I was wrong there. Yeah, oh yeah, and hello, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just so excited. I really am excited. So yeah, can I just launch right in, please? I really appreciate your support. I really do. I know I don't say that enough, but I really do. And I will get there. I will get there. But this one here makes me really happy right now. Because, okay, I took personal offense to something someone said, you know. I've been watching his channel forever. Because he's like the guru when it comes to, you know, philodendrons, monsters, things I can't even rattle off right now. Because I'm too excited about this. So what I'm trying to say is that he said something negative. He said something negative, and oh my gosh, I just really love mine. But I know that there's downfalls with them. I do. And one of them is to get it to look full like this. See, I thought if he were to see what it could be, if he just gave it a little bit more, you know, I don't think he has it anymore. I think he got rid of it. Because he really didn't like her. Oh, this is a pink princess philodendron. Yeah, I was, and now I've told you I have trouble missing my children being little. And my indoor garden really does do a lot for me that way, because I've got, you know, their bedrooms filled with plants. And I was missing my daughter, because, you know, I do. And so I was at Walmart, and no, plants don't really talk to me. I just want to believe that they do. But I guess they speak to me, you know, with their character, and, you know, oh, look at it. It's just so cute, you know. Anyway, I love it. And so it reminded me of my daughter. So much so that my daughter got one for her birthday. My daughter-in-law got one for Christmas. My mother got one, because I'm just so taken by it. And look at here, oh my gosh, just I'm so pleased about this, because you could tell the color the leaves are going to be when they first come out. Can you see this? I surely hope you can, because it's coming out with a lot of the pink. I really like that, and I found out that if you just give it a little more light, if you put, well, me, I keep this under what is it? No, it's a 500 watt LED light for 8 hours a day. But I put her more, you know, in the middle, to where she'll get a great amount of the light, and it triggers them to put out more pink. I don't know how they do this, but it's like magic. So anyway, I started noticing, I went up to my son's club, and I'm going, you got a pink princess in your club? And he said, well, yeah, because Crystal, my daughter, it just grows like crazy for her, and so she cuts off pieces and she gives them to people, and we just really love them. But sometimes I look at people's and I go, well, because if they don't have it on a moss pole, it just doesn't give it like enough, you know, stability for it to really shine. So a lot of times they end up kind of vining out, and people like that, and I guess, you know, that's all right. Sure, but I like it like this. And I'm telling you how I got it like this, because usually they look kind of spindly. It's because they're lonely. They are. And so when I cut mine, I rooted, gosh, I don't remember. It might have been 4 pieces, and only 2 really took off. And then the sad part is my thrips got a hold of the other one. But I was able to save one. Here, can you see her? Because she's just a baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Because she's just a baby here. She is. She's a baby of this mama. And I thought that if I put her in here and kind of worked, you know, with turning and stuff, you know, because they're not on any kind of evolving table or anything. They got to just get the amount of light that shines on them. So I just turn it from time to time. And I just really like it. It really came out well, I thought, and unfortunately I didn't film it. Because I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure I was doing the right thing. So, yeah, I never want to tell people to do the wrong thing. Because I've had people do that to me, and I've lost clients over it. And I'd rather just be on the safe side, especially with something that you feel that you really Well, love. I know, but I do. And there's no shame in that. So I just wanted to share this with you because it really, it just really, ooh, this got a little bit wet here. Yeah, you never want them wet under the lights. I always wait until after the lights go out. But I'm just thrilled. I'm just thrilled. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead with this one because you know what? I only put out 2 videos a month now. And I owe a garden video. I haven't done anything. They don't think so. It's like October. It could be later than that. Because I had to recover from the thrips. When you have thrips, everything stops growing. Everything stops growing. I had a slow growth and no production for, about 3 months. It was hard. But anyway, so I didn't really have anything to show you. Other than they're still alive, thank God, because I wasn't sure about that. If they were going to. It was just a difficult time. So what I wanted to say is, I've said things many times to you about how much I miss my children being little. Sometimes it's overwhelming. That's why I went to and I found her. And a lot of times, something living, some life, it makes you feel, it helps a great deal. It makes me feel happy because there's always something that needs me. With all that said, I hope you guys have a lovely day. I'm going to. I am just thrilled. I am absolutely, see, it even goes around the back. So, it's amazing. It's just amazing. So, sorry I didn't film it when I did film it when I cut it, but I didn't film it when I planted it in here. But you can believe me because it's there. It is there. I am just happy. I'm just happy. Have a wonderful day, and I will be talking with you soon because I got to show you the rest of my garden, and some of it is doing really well too, but not as good as this one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.